Did you know that Nana Plaza is the largest adult entertainment complex in the world? It's a place where the night never seems to end, and the energy is palpable from the moment you step in. Welcome to Bangkok's nightlife wonderland. This is where the city truly comes alive after dark. Nana Plaza is the beating heart of Bangkok's vibrant nightlife. It's a place where neon lights paint the streets in a kaleidoscope of colors, and the air is filled with the sounds of laughter, music, and excitement. This iconic spot has built a reputation for being wild, unpredictable, and endlessly entertaining. But here's the thing. Nana Plaza isn't just about the neon lights and party vibes. It's a place where stories are made and memories are forged. There's a lot of misconceptions floating around about this place. Some people think it's just a seedy spot for tourists, but there's so much more to it. Sure, it's got its edgy side, but it's also a cultural melting pot where locals and tourists mingle, creating a unique atmosphere you won't find anywhere else. It's a place where different worlds collide, and that's what makes it so special. The diversity here is incredible. You'll find people from all walks of life, each bringing their own flavor to the mix. It's this blend of cultures and personalities that gives Nana Plaza its unique charm. Now let's dive into what Nana Plaza has to offer. Imagine stepping into a three-story open-air complex buzzing with energy. Each level is packed with bars, clubs, and entertainment venues, each offering a different flavor of fun. Whether you're looking for a laid-back bar to chill with friends or a high-energy club to dance the night away, you'll find it here. From live music and DJ sets to themed bars and dance floors, the variety is endless. Each venue has its own unique vibe, ensuring that there's something for everyone. And the entertainment? It's top-notch. You'll find everything from live bands playing your favorite hits to DJs spinning the latest tracks. The energy is infectious, and it's impossible not to get caught up in the excitement and the people you meet. They're just as diverse as the venues, adding to the vibrant and eclectic vibe of the place. You'll make friends from all over the world, each with their own stories to tell. It's this mix of people and experiences that makes Nana Plaza so special. Every night is a new adventure, and you never know who you'll meet or what you'll discover. But let me share a story that really captures the essence of Nana Plaza. One night, I wandered into a bar on the second floor. The music was pumping, the lights were flashing, and everyone was having a blast. It was one of those nights where everything just seemed to click. Suddenly, the DJ announced a surprise performance. The anticipation in the room was electric. Out of nowhere, a troupe of dancers took the stage, putting on an electrifying show that left the crowd in awe. It was one of those moments that you just had to be there to fully appreciate. The performance was spontaneous, it was thrilling, and it perfectly summed up the unpredictable magic of Nana Plaza. It's moments like these that make this place so unforgettable. So, what makes Nana Plaza stand out in the global nightlife scene? It's the sheer variety and the unfiltered energy that flows through the place. It's a spot where every night holds the promise of a new adventure, and you never quite know what you'll discover. Whether it's a surprise performance, a new friend, or just an unforgettable night out, Nana Plaza always delivers. The energy here is unlike anything else. It's a place where you can truly let loose and be yourself, surrounded by people who are all there for the same reason, to have a good time. It's a place where the night is always young and the possibilities are endless. So if you're ever in Bangkok, make sure to check out Nana Plaza. You won't be disappointed. If you've got your own Nana Plaza stories, I'd love to hear about them. Drop a comment below and share your experiences. And don't forget to check out my other videos exploring nightlife around the world. There's so much more to see and experience, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Until next time, keep the party going. Remember, the night is always young somewhere in the world. So wherever you are, make the most of it and enjoy the ride. Cheers.